Hello and welcome to our channel Science Kids. Today we will talk about Saturn. Thought of the day by Galileo Galilei. You cannot teach a man anything, you can only help him find it within himself. Saturn's size. Saturn is the second largest planet in the solar system. It is 10 times wider than Earth. Saturn's diameter is 72,366 miles, 1,16,464 kilometers long. Evolution. Saturn is located 890 million miles, 1.432 billion kilometers away from the Sun. It takes Saturn 29.5 Earth years to orbit the Sun once. Rotation and tilt. Saturn rotates around its axis every 10 hours and 39 minutes. Its tilt is 26.7 degrees compared to the solar plane. What's inside Saturn? Saturn's interior is very similar to Jupiter's. Its core is made of water, ice, and rocky material, but it has no solid surface. Its surface is composed of hydrogen and helium. Composition of the atmosphere. Saturn's atmosphere is mostly composed of hydrogen and helium with small amounts of other elements. Near Saturn's equator, winds reach speeds of 1,100 miles, 1,770 kilometers per hour. Largest storm on Saturn. There is a storm on Saturn's north pole, which is 2 Earths wide and almost a perfect hexagon. This happens because of jet streams. Now my friend Manav will say a few more things about Saturn. Over to you, Manav.
Thank you, Nishant. As Nishant said, I'm going to speak some more things about Saturn. Saturn's ring system. The rings of Saturn are composed of debris made of rock, ice, and dust. They are 1 kilometer thick. Saturn has over 1,000 rings. Moons of Saturn. Saturn has 150 moons, but only 82 are confirmed to be there. Today, we will show you and tell you about some moons of Saturn. Moons of Saturn. Titan. Titan is the second largest moon in the solar system and the largest moon of Saturn. It is bigger than Mercury. Titan is the only moon in the solar system that has an atmosphere. Its atmosphere is thicker than that of the Earth's, and it is made up of mostly nitrogen. On Titan, there are methane rivers, but you can't swim there. There are also volcanoes that erupt ice on Titan. On Titan, you can jump 11 feet, 3.3 meters high in the air. Moons of Saturn, Enceladus. Enceladus is the sixth largest moon of Saturn, discovered by William Herschel on August 28, 1789. It is about 500 kilometers, 310 miles in diameter. Spacecraft visiting Saturn, Cassini. Cassini was launched on October 15, 1997. It was the first spacecraft to land on Titan and made it the first moon to be landed outside the inner solar system. Cassini reached Saturn and its moons in July 2004. The launch mass of Cassini was 5,712 kg. Cassini ran out of fuel in 2017. To protect it from damaging Saturn's moons, the people who control Cassini made it crash it into Saturn. Saturn is less dense than all planets in the solar system. Saturn is so light that it can float on water. Because of it has hydrogen and helium. You must be thinking that Jupiter also has hydrogen and helium. So why it can't float? Jupiter has metallic hydrogen, which is heavier than normal hydrogen. Saturn has only normal hydrogen, so it can float on water. You can try with a rock and a paper, which will you can place it on the water, which will sink first. The rock. Same thing is that because rock is heavier than paper. The same thing is hydrogen and metallic hydrogen. Metallic hydrogen is heavier, so Jupiter has metallic hydrogen, so it sinks, and Saturn has normal hydrogen, so it floats on water. Amazing facts. 1. NASA's Cassini spacecraft has orbited Saturn 294 times. 2. Saturn has another storm called a dragon storm. 3. Saturn will consume its ring in a few 100 million years. Questions. The first one Nishant will speak. The second one I will speak.
Question 1. When were Saturn's rings discovered?
Question 2. Which Roman god was Saturn named after? Now it will be a good time to pause the video and discuss. If you want more time, you can always pause the video. Okay, you ready? Here come the answers.
Answer number 1. The rings of Saturn were first discovered in 1610 by Italian astronomer Galileo Galilei.
Second, Saturn was named after the god of agriculture.
Thank you for watching this video. Please give a like, subscribe and share this with your friends and family members, and also make sure to ring the bell button to get notifications for each video as they are made. Thank you and bye.
And bye.